In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background Affinity Photo. We'll keep everything simple and non-destructive, so you can adjust the effect at any time. Start by launching Affinity and opening the photo you want to edit. As soon as it's on your canvas, duplicate your image layer so you always have a clean original to fall back on. Duplicating is as easy as right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate. Make sure you're working on the duplicate from here on out. Switch to the pixel view or pixel persona at the top. This puts all the pixel-based tools at your fingertips. Choose the selection brush tool and paint over the background you want to blur. Use a larger brush for broad areas and a smaller one to work around edges like hair or shoulders. If the brush grabs part of your subject, hold the subtract modifier to remove it from the selection. For tricky edges, the refine option helps clean halos and improve the cutout. Take your time here. A precise selection is the key to a natural-looking blur. With the background selected, add a mask layer. This masks the background on your working layer and keeps your subject sharp. If you notice any missed spots, click the mask thumbnail and paint with a soft black or white brush to hide or reveal areas until the separation looks clean. Now return to Vector View or your main editing persona and open the Quick FX panel on the right. Check Gaussian Blur to turn it on, then slowly raise the radius slider. Increase it until the background softens convincingly without looking artificial. A subtle blur often looks more realistic than a heavy one, especially if parts of the background are close to your subject. If you see hard transitions, a touch of feather on the selection or gentle brushing on the mask can smooth the edges. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've isolated the subject, masked the background, and applied a controllable Gaussian blur for a professional portrait-style look, all while keeping your original safe.